found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity.
Let's get started. So first step is to just cut the paper into pieces and just put it in a bowl, and the next is to add hot water. By adding hot water, it will make the things more easier and it will save time too. So you can use hot water, and also you can skip this step by simply using a mixer grinder, but I just wanted to do this by my hand. So this is how it looks. After that, just add some flower petals. If you don't have flowers, then add some leaves or something to get this texture. And after that, convert that into a bigger bowl. And this step is very important. Use a strainer, which we all have in our home, and just press it gently to drain the water. So after pressing it gently like this, put a bowl under it to soak the water properly and keep that for like 5 or 10 minutes. After that, use a cotton cloth or a towel. I would suggest to use a waste cotton cloth because it will get color on it. I guess now the water have been soaked in a proper manner. So now I will just flip the strainer. And after that, I will use turmeric powder to get the color yellow. This is how it looks, and then I have added leaves and the shell of almonds. So this is how it looks. And meanwhile, I will just flip that. And I will just repeat the process for this yellow one too. And for this white one, I have used the white paint. So basically I have made this for the white one, the purplish, the yellow and the green one, and among this white is my favorite and that green one too. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have a nice day.